Damon, Hawaii, and Vacation Rentals Waikiki. We're here today at the beautiful Ilikai Marina, and you can see the marina in the backdrop. It is just so gorgeous on an overcast day. But anyways, we will be remodeling this unit, number 688. Today I will show some before video, and in about 2 days from now, when we're done with the remodel work, we'll show you the after product. Okay, have a great day and come check it out with me. Okay, we're coming in the door right now, and be warned, this is a work in progress. So you can see we did some new backsplash in the kitchen. This place was almost wall-to-wall mirrors, so we tiled parts of it to give it some breaker. And then fresh new coat of paint all over. And going into the bathroom here, we also, the previous owner must have loved mirrors because this entire wall was mirror, and we've now retiled it. I don't know if our guests would like to look at themselves while they're going to the bathroom. But anyways, the tile looks great. It matches the floor, it matches the paint, and it is almost ready. I'd say about 2 more days, and this unit will be on the vacation rental market. All right. Check out this view. Okay, goodbye and aloha.